Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best kitchen gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into one of the best food choppers on the market, the Oster 3-Cup Mini Food Chopper. If you're tired of chopping vegetables by hand or spending too much time prepping your ingredients, this compact powerhouse is here to help you save time and effort. The Oster Mini Food Chopper features a 3-cup tempered glass bowl that's scratch and stain resistant, making it durable and easy to clean. This versatile tool allows you to chop, grind, mince, puree, and even whisk, making it perfect for everything from salsa and guacamole to chopping herbs, fruits, vegetables, and even meats. It's a great choice for those who love making fresh, homemade baby food as well. One of the standout features of this food chopper is its 2-speed settings. You can choose low for softer ingredients like fruits and herbs, or high for tougher items like nuts or meats. The powerful 250-watt motor combined with dual stainless steel blades ensures that your ingredients are processed quickly and efficiently, delivering consistent results every time. Not only is it functional, but this food chopper is designed for convenience. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, and its compact design means it won't take up too much counter space. Whether you're whipping up a quick dinner or preparing ingredients for a big meal, the Oster Mini Food Chopper is there to help you speed up your prep time without compromising on quality. Its versatile whisk attachment is perfect for quickly whipping up some eggs, cream, or even mixing ingredients for baking. This chopper really does it all, from savory dishes to sweet treats, making it a must-have for any kitchen. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, efficient, and durable food chopper that doesn't take up too much space, the Oster 3-Cup Mini Food Chopper is the ideal solution. It's packed with features that will help you save time and effort, whether you're making a quick dip, prepping veggies for a salad, or even whipping up a batch of whipped cream. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And subscribe for more reviews on the best kitchen gadgets out there. We'll see you in the next one.